Welcome to Felina Management Consultants. The topic for today is about how to start your business. This is relevant to anybody who would be interested in becoming an entrepreneur. Even if you're already an entrepreneur, you can listen to this so that you can advise others in order to improve entrepreneurship on the African continent. My name is Nathan, presenting this program on sustainable development and entrepreneurship. Please remember to subscribe, give the lecture a like, and write your comments below. This will enable us to keep improving our services and sending you valuable content. You make us proud, and your contributions and participation are highly valuable to us. We really appreciate. How do we start a business? In order to come up with a business idea and a business plan, you need to develop a business idea by looking inward. In other words, you have to look at yourself from the inside. The idea that you have inside must be the starting point for you to develop a business idea. You need to look towards others for a business idea, but you must have your ideas in your mind. Brainstorm solutions for your ideas, validate your idea to ensure success, and then make your idea a reality. How to come up with a business idea? Consider your own skills and experience. Value your passion. Passion plays a very big role in deciding on a business that you would like to pursue in the foreseeable future. It gives you the confidence and overpowering determination to succeed because it is something that you love to do. You have passion, you make sure that it succeeds. And this could be an area where you are working or where you want to work. Let's say a restaurant, school, oil refinery, farm, housing project, and so on. Then identify a problem or problems that no one else can solve. Can you come up with a solution and solve it or a similar problem for others? Write down all problems, and then even if you can't solve it, initially write those problems. Additionally, look for your strengths, skills, and interests for inspiration. Analyze your problems. The best place to work for a business idea is inside of your own problems. What challenges are you running into in your day-to-day life? This doesn't have to be a brand new idea. The problem can be as simple as closing a leak pipe, fighting load shedding, using artificial intelligence to resolve a crisis, and so on. In other words, a potential problem worth exploring. Use your current strengths. Many current business owners build a business around their strengths. Strengths may be skills or knowledge you've learned from experiences, like working in a corporate world or through hobbies. A good example is if you've been in debt collection for 20 years and are looking to apply those skills to a certain sales industry, or you've learned a lot about soccer through your hobbies and are good at helping friends fix their soccer boots or getting them a cheaper price to earn profit. So you look at your strengths that you have currently and work around those strengths to see how you can tap into a challenge and provide solutions. Niche down to your current skills. Narrow down what you do at your current job and provide a very specific service or product. There is a common business saying that the riches are in the niches. Specific services connect well to solve people's problems. For example, if you are a management consultant, you may be able to brand yourself as a consultant in a specific niche, such as financial management or financial reporting consultant. Branding yourself in a niche will make it easier to connect with specific business owners looking for your services. Cross-pollinate your skills and interests. This means coming up with a business idea that mixes two or more unrelated skills or interests. For example, if someone has a full-time job as a panel beater and also enjoys mechanical repairs at a motor repairs and maintenance company, a possible business idea they could pursue is a mechanical repairs and panel beating company. Look towards others for a business idea. Ask all you can from the already existing and successful people in the areas that you have in mind. If you are having trouble coming up with an idea from your own experiences, look to problems others are having. Friends and family are usually willing to talk about the regular challenges they run into. Maybe there's a business idea that can help them overcome their challenges. You can also do research on trends and the current market to discover a business concept that makes sense for consumers today. Listen to family and friends. Make it a point to listen to family and friends when they are having issues. Maybe they are complaining about specific problems with their motorcycles. Write down all of the business ideas you can think of that relate to the problems they are struggling with, both product and service based. Brainstorm solutions for your idea. When you identify a problem to solve, you may think of the solution right away. However, if you are struggling to come up with a solution, there are strategies to help you think creatively. Create time during the day to think and make it easy to write or record solutions. Additionally, look to others as a way to think creatively. Join local networking groups and entrepreneur networking websites. Validate your ideas to ensure success. Validating your business ideas involves making efforts to ensure that the solution you want to sell is something customers will pay for. True validation comes when someone spends their money on your product or service. However, you may not be able to figure out with certainty how well your product will do in the market until it is created or your business is open. Consider creating a few focus groups and surveys to gather feedback. Building an audience online is a greater way to elicit feedback for your idea. Additionally, starting a crowdfunding campaign is one of the best ways to ensure your business idea is a good one. Make your dream a reality. Once you receive validation that customers are willing to spend money on your solution to a problem they are having, it's time to make your business happen. Your first step is to create a business plan with thorough financial projection. Then you will want to secure your business or idea through legal means. Finally, raise the capital necessary to make your dream a reality. Create a business plan. All businesses need to create a business plan or a strategic roadmap you can use to guide your business decisions. A business plan contains several elements, including market analysis, competitor analysis, and financial projections. If you are seeking funding from a bank or investor, you will need a business plan. In conclusion, in order to come up with a business idea and a business plan, you need to look inward for a business idea, look towards others for a business idea, brainstorm solutions for your data, validate your idea to ensure success, then lastly, make your dream or idea a reality. In our next video, we are going to look at the procedure of how to compile a business plan, so don't miss out. Please remember to subscribe, give the lecture a like, and write your comments below. This will enable us to keep improving our services and sending you valuable content. You make us proud, and your contributions and participation are valuable to us. We really appreciate. Until next time, God bless you.